Ayan, tayo. Kakantahan namin para ni ate para sa ito. I love you. Back when I was a child, before I removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'd play the song that would never ever end. How I love, love, love to dance with my father again. I love you, Tay. I love you.